Okay, so for this project, you want to get any toy dinosaur that you have lying around, super adhesive glue, 2 wooden square plaques, and some spray paint. Next, we're going to get our super adhesive glue and glue both sides of the wooden pieces. Make sure you glue the front and don't forget to glue the back. Next step is optional. You can get some sandpaper just to sand down the sides and the corners so you can have a smoother look. Next, you're going to take your spray paint and we're going to spray away. So while I spray away, let's just say your child's not a dinosaur fan. That's completely fine. You can use any type of toy you want. Unicorns, giraffes, elephants, trucks. It doesn't matter. And as well, there's also so many spray paints out there you can change up the look. Just go with the theme of the room. Now we're just going to let our 2 pieces dry up in the sun before we head on to the next step. The final step is to take that super adhesive glue and glue that dinosaur onto the wood in any position you like. And here goes the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.